Hi, my name is Christopher Sanders with WHHI-TV. Today I'm here in Beaufort County covering the grand opening of the Whitehall Park. The Whitehall Park is 9.72 acres just off of the Woods Memorial Bridge of live oak canopy, and it is right off of the saltwater. It's a beautiful place with brand new amenities such as public bathrooms, a pavilion, and a public parking lot, so that way you and your family can come out here and enjoy a beautiful day together. There's a brand new boardwalk that's been constructed that connects downtown Beaufort to the Whitehall Park. Today we'll hear from City Councilman York Glover and County Mayor Stephen Murray about the opening of the brand new Whitehall Park.
And I will introduce Mr. Glover first.
Thank you, Stephanie. I want to continue in the same vein that Stephanie started. She's named some of the people. One of the key groups of people, and they're not going to like this. They're not going to expect this from me because I've actually said that I don't like them at all. But I want to thank our legal department for Beaufort County. And it has nothing to do with them. They do a good job, a great job really for us. But I just don't like lawyers. So I want to say thank you to the legal department because they made sure that every inch of property that we purchase is yours. And so I want to thank them for that. I'm going to quote President Biden when he said, "This is a big freaking deal. This is a big freaking deal." Beaufort County has purchased this property for you. Whatever is said and done for the future, this property is the citizens of Beaufort County. And for that, we thank you. We have a partnership here between the City of Beaufort and the county. And in that partnership, the county owns the property, okay? Which means that it could never be claimed by the city, but the city is going to manage it. And so the expense of maintaining is all of the city, but it's a great partnership.
Thank you very much. Now we're going to hear a few words from City of Beaufort Mayor Stephen Murray.
Well, good morning, fam. What an exciting day it is. This park will outlive all of us. And my grandkids and maybe great grandkids will crab from that dock and kick a ball in this park. And so to all of the partners involved, as the good book says, many hands make light work. And so I'm grateful to each of you for what you've done to bring this amazing asset to bear. I do want to give a special shout out to Stephanie at the county for her hard work. I thank County Council for their partnership and their investment in this park. And I'll leave you with one of my favorite quotes. And that's a Greek proverb that says that a society grows great when old men plant trees whose shade they know they shall never sit under. And so again, while all the cussing and fussing and suing and hand wringing and name calling, it was worth it.
1, 2, 3.
The new amenities here at Whitehall Park has made it a scenic and convenient spot for you to come and enjoy a beautiful weekend with friends and family. I even plan on bringing my dog out here sometime so that we can play around with a Frisbee. Well, that's all for me. From WHHI, this is Christopher Sanders. Back to you guys.
In just a few moments, yes, we were at the Marine Corps Air Station Air Show over the weekend. Stay tuned and you'll hear all of the details.